What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Volks TV. Back in the garage today, building something. Was itching to build something again after making that gas can holder and the antenna whip mount. Got all this whole book of projects, stuff that I want to build, and this is the next thing on the list. You know, we got camping trips coming up, and I need to build this because I've been looking at the drawings and stuff and just dreaming of having it. So today I went out to the fab shop at work and I had the guys cut me a bunch of aluminum. Went to Home Depot, got a bunch more aluminum and some different supplies and rivets and things, and we're gonna make us a really cool thing. I don't even know what you'd call it. Truck box, camp kitchen. Our pal Bela went on the Big Bed Bus Bash and he made himself a really slick one out of wood. Holds the stove and his coffee and his little coffee pot and his dishes and the like. And it's really cool. So I'm making one slightly different. I'm gonna make it, my way, and it's gonna look kind of vintagey to go on the bus. It'll be just perfect. So let's zoom in and check it out. Alright, so we got it all built. I spent a little bit of time since I made that first part of the video tidying it up a little bit. I added some latches to the front. I got some handles around for grabbing. The TV even I had a little Pullman sticker laying around, so I put that on there just for fun. I think I'm actually going to build these and sell these. So I'll throw a link down below to where you can find one if you want one, or you can have me make you one. But it's not going to come with the Pullman sticker. I have another sticker to put on there. But really, I think it came out pretty good. Fits on there nice. You know, fits on there nice with the door open. And these nice little springy latches hold everything down. Got all my pots and pans, my coffee maker. I got a knife back there. I got some tongs, spices. I got my coffee. I got my dish soap. Everything fits in there, you know, real nice and compact. And then down here on the bottom, we've got it's gonna hold a full can of fuel, a few cans of the propane. I use this for my lanterns, but I use this on my stove just because it lights easy. You know, it gets going right away. I got a little fire starter for starting the campfire. Fits on those bottles. You know, plenty of room. And then this one easily holds the stove. And here's my little propane adapter. You know, goes on there nice with the bottle, and you know, works great. And it all packs up. So in the morning, I could just wake up, boom, open it, make my coffee, my quick little breakfast. I got a little toaster attachment on here that I copied from Gary. I always watch him make his Pop-Tarts in the morning, so I bought one. Holds up. Let's see where I got the idea for the latch. Trying to make it look vintage. Stove goes in there. Closes up. I got a latch on the side here, and then that's it. This one's a little funky because I made it kind of fast. You know, prototypes with weird edges and stuff. So I've got some other stuff cut. I made a few changes. I'm gonna make another one. We'll see if it fits good. But got a spring down here on the bottom with a little tab. You see that? So that holds it to the gutter, or to the wheel well, and it hangs on the gutter. And I've had this thing right around 60 miles an hour on the highway. I can definitely feel it there, but it's sturdy. It hasn't moved. I've kind of marked the gutter where it is, and it doesn't slide back. It's got the foot for the rack here that kind of keeps it from going back. But it's actually light enough. You know, you can take it off real easy. Put it right back on. You can hang it in the garage off of the hook on the back. You know, hangs on the wall, fully loaded, ready to rock. Just pick it up, hook it, and you're off, ready to go on a camping, cooking adventure. I can run it on the back too, so it doesn't cover the vents, although I tested it on the warmest day we've had so far, about 80 degrees, with it just right here over the vents, and my motor actually didn't run any hotter than normal, so I feel like it's okay. There's spacers back there to keep it off so airflow is still there. You know, so there we go. Another dumb thing I had in my head, and drew it on a bunch of napkins over a few months, and finally decided to make it. So I made one out of a cheap little plastic, and I kind of liked it, so I took the next step and bought the metal and sort of just made it. You know, a million rivets and some Amazon junk. You know, and there we go, camp kitchen. Seems to work okay. We're going to test it out on the trip to Arkansas, which is coming up, the Arkansas Bus Bash, going up into the mountains again. So we'll test it out, and I'll let you know how it worked. So if you like it, let me know. If you think it's a stupid idea, let me know in the comments down below. I'll throw a link down there for more information if you want to get one. There's also links down there for all our social media, Facebook, Instagram, everything. We got it all. So find us down there. Get a t-shirt from Teespring. T-shirt weather's back. And visit our friends at Volksmania and VolksAmerica.com. Check out Rattling Dubs podcast, radio show. I don't know, what would you call it? It's an internet radio show. It's amazing. Vic Whitehouse, throwing down some rad tunes and some good conversation as well over there from across the pond. You can catch that at vdubradio.com, as well as a bunch of other great shows. I mean, I listen to that thing all day when I'm at work in the truck, so definitely worth checking that out. Thanks for watching.